Hey guys, I just woke up today, obviously tired. I did not take a shower, literally grabbed my camera and decided to record. So today I'm thinking I'm going to go to the Airshow. Blue Angels Airshow happened today. I'm gonna just get cleaned up and then I'm gonna show you guys what's going on there. Give me a moment. Alright, I'm almost done getting ready. I'm about to do my hair right now so I can slightly wake up with my coffee. I need my coffee. Like how there's none left in this bottle. Putting a curling cream in and leave-in conditioner cream. Put a lot of products in. I really do. Sheen and Curl. This is not sponsored. I wish it was. Gotta brush my teeth. I woke up like this. And now close! I'm ready! It is a really nice day out today. Really nice. I'm here with Casilla and Adam. Say hi. And Adam's in the car. Clean out the back seat so we can go get some delicious coffee. And I didn't eat yet, so I'm waiting for a nice pancake and bacon. Hopefully soon. I also have a headache, kind of. I have a bad migraine right here. It's killing me. Say hi to the viewers.
What's up?
That's horrible. Edit that out.
Edit it out.
Yeah, it's bad.
I'm gonna keep it.
No, don't.
You wanna try again?
Yes. What's up, people?
Oh, no, no,
Oh,
no.
okay.
That was a genuine. Now I'm keeping both of them.
No!
Yeah, this is what happens when you go to Target. This. Okay. So far, my experience for the air show is a 0 out of 10.
Because you wanted to get Starbucks.
Everybody there, is getting on that bus. Really bad. That line is ridiculous. They're gonna make us park on the grass. And we have to walk or take the bus. And I don't feel like doing that because I'm lazy. And yeah.
Oh my gosh, man, you're so fat.
What? You just wanted to add that in there for no reason. I'm fat. It's true. I'm fat.
It's true.
I didn't even eat anything today.
Still against the one.
I had a pound cake. That was it.
Oh, yeah.
A whole pound.
Yeah, making that walk. Look, guys, doesn't that look familiar?
No, it's not.
It looks pretty familiar, right? Look at that. Wait, move your fat head. I'm trying to get the aircraft. If you do not know what that is, check out my video down in the description below. It's actually my base tour that I filmed a couple months ago with my best friend on my brother flight, Aguilera. I will miss him very much. He is currently in Japan right now, so I just had to get that on film. Does this also look familiar too? If you don't know what that is, then check out my other video when I was in Buffalo, New York for my home military field trip. I also had an anchor just like this that I was standing on. It just reminded me. Bye. Okay, bye. Bye.
Oh. 6.
It's Illuminati.
Illuminati confirmed.
Over out. Am I doing this thing right? How do I do this? Hello?
Okay, you're back here for a minute. Those people actually jumped out of it. Look at that. And I'll probably stand up next to you and nothing hurt you today.
Okay, they are going.
And I won't know this. I don't know the words.
God bless the USA.
On the bus now. A lot of people.
Okay.
Yeah, pretty much, right?
I think he can. Clem, I need for you to land. Well, the first thing you do is you point it along the road.
It looked like he crashed on a hangar.
Okay. Let's watch him now. He's trying. You'll know that that's not Clem.
So, in school, my job, aircraft structural maintenance, we have to make sure we rivet these right. These circles are rivets. And it's funny because you can kind of see what is good and what's not good on this aircraft. Some of these aren't as flush as they should be. I haven't gotten a feel yet, so I don't know how I'm gonna do. So we're gonna have to see.
It's not my job.
He's personnel.
I handle your pay. I make sure you get paid. That's what I do. I make sure that you get your money.
I want that money.
You just broke the emergency.
Reminds me of Mickey Mouse. It's Mickey!
They gonna do flip. They gonna do flip.
Oh yeah.
Flip.
Oh, this is really nice. That looks fun, but I feel like I would like bust my butt. If he lets go, then what?
It's called a suicide.
Ew.
Heath Sayers. James Carter. Also, just like James and Keith, he
F-22's flying around.
F-22 Raptor.
We look so good. So good.
Huh, Air Force?
Huh? You're about to see a high-speed pass right now. And it's gone just like that. Look at that. Look at that.
chicken out here. We'll get ready to set up. Cameras on. Let's get ready. Here we go.
The show is about to start.
Yeah, what he said.
We're about to see the Blue Angels. Whee!
What
do you think so far?
I think that the show is really, really great. I still got a headache. But no.
Yeah, one beer.
Just one.
Lightweight.
I drink responsibly.
Right.
Yeah, I think it's a really good show going on, and it honestly is a different experience when you're here. Like on camera, it's like, but like when you're seeing it, it's like, wow.
Right?
Like, wow.
So, what's getting ready to happen now? We're gonna watch Fat Albert, which is the C-130 that the pilots travel in, and then it's gonna do its demonstration, and then we're gonna get to see the main attraction, Blue Angels, their final show for the year of 2018.
I like how you
homecoming
do it. All the works for me. It's great. I don't gotta say anything.
The
Keep
homecoming
going. You're
show.
doing a great job.
Where they're stationed at Naval Air Station Pensacola. We'll come back in a minute.
Over the course of a complete show season, Fat Albert will fly 100,000 miles to show sites around the world. Fat Albert is flown and led by an all-marine air crew, led by Lieutenant Colonel Mark Montgomery from Cartersville, Georgia.
I'm gone. Things are just things. They don't make you who you are. Can't pack up all you haul and take it with you when you're gone. You posted on the porch, my family's glasses to the stars. My grandma's smiling down on me like, that boy got balls.
Just demonstrating to the Americans. Now, direct your attention to the ramp before you. Observe the military manner in which the 6th Administration pilots approach their aircraft and are saluted by their crew chiefs.
They all posing. I'm really shocked. I'm really shocked. That looks scary. Like, it's the poof.
Barrel roll break.
I'm glad you guys watched this video. We had a very, very nice show. If you guys like this video, give a like down below. Comment if you have any questions. If you get a chance, go to an air show because these air shows are fire. I've never been to one. I can't wait to go to my next one. Anything you want to say? What's up? It's the end of the video.
I know it is.
Anything you like to say?
Yes, I had a blast. It was awesome. I definitely recommend you guys going.
Yes.
Blue Angels travel all over the country, so check out their schedule. Definitely go to one.
You almost sounded like you could be a sponsor for them.
I could be.
And also go to their website at Blue Angels.
Also go to their website.
Not sponsored, not sponsored.
Hopefully they'll pick me up and start paying me.
You know, pay you for
I'm stuck down here.
Help!
Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. As for right now, everybody out of here. Peace.
Bye!